What's up, you guys? Today's video is going to be a vlog, and people who are new on my channel, my name is Akanksha and I do fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel, a lot of things. I just finished a little like 15-20 minutes ka workout because after my office these days I have started doing this like either before going to bed or right after my office timings. I just start doing something which is healthy, and I just do a little bit of yoga. Sometimes I do meditation. I just want to tell you, all the guys who are not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at akanksha_youtube. I have posted a motivational speech kind of video where I have shared my experience, my journey from my school till here, and all the good things, and I promise you're going to be very happy after you watch it completely. So please go and watch that. I will probably put a link in the description box. Hey guys, I am going to straighten my hair and I have laptop in front of me. I'll open FaceTime, not to FaceTime anyone, अपने आप को बस देखने के लिए, क्योंकि I don't have a mirror here. Oh my god, please don't fall, please don't fall. I took bath after the workout, and after drying, this is air dry by the way. This is the original texture of my hair. It's like super curly, super frizzy, super messy. I like it that way. This Kera Shine straightener from Philips. I bought it because I heard good reviews of this, and I just love this lock. Like, it has a lock here. You do this, it gets open, and then you can just make it shut. A lot of volume is looking because of the curls. I'm going to take section by section. I want to share a quick good thing with you guys. Recently, it's like an accidental discovery, kind of a serendipity. I was just trying to, I think, create a look with wet hair, but I failed miserably. But to do that, I actually, instead of water, I sprayed rose water all over my hair. And then I think I did not like it too much. Next day I washed my hair. The hair fall was really less and my hair was really smooth and silky, and I was like amazed. I did it again. So I have done this thrice, and all 3 times my hair is not falling actually after that too much. I don't know if it happened to me only, or it is really a good thing to have rose water on your hair. It's good for skin for sure, but just wanted to share this little thing that I just noticed. Give it a try and let me know if that helps you as well. Oh my god, dude, it was about to fall on my thigh and it's so hot. Oh my god, I got so scared. I'm just like shivering. Okay, this is all that I can do. I cannot straight it. Like, is it fine? I am doing it for a shoot. I had boy cut though, but when I started growing my hair, we used to sometimes use iron box to straighten our hair if we don't have a straightener. And mom dad would not buy you that kind of stuff because बाल खराब हो जाएंगे और ये सब blah blah blah. तो हम छुप छुप के दरवाजा बंद करके प्रेस से मेरी बहन और मैं हम एक दूसरे के बाल स्ट्रेट करते थे. Let me know अगर आप लोग भी ऐसे करते थे या सिर्फ मैं ही ऐसे करती थी. Okay, so this is the ring light actually. As you can see, it's very light. The top, the ring is very light. Then it has this attached for phone, and this has the stand. So I got these things together. Bought the one which does not require a battery and stuff. It has this wire attached with the ring. So it does not have a switch or anything. It has this port, so you can use it with laptop. You can use it with a power bank and stuff. And you have to plug it here, and I have this laptop, so I'm using it. You can use a power bank as well. And then you have this remote and you have control. So I'm just going to tell you what all the things are there. So this is the switch off on button. There are 3 modes of light. I will show you the lights, and I'll link this down in the description box as well so that you can have a look. Okay, so this is the first light, this is the second, then this is the third. This is the first light. It's a little warm. Then the next one is this, and this is the third light, and you can also increase the intensity and you can decrease the intensity as well. I'm going to post pictures also with this ring light to tell you the picture quality here or there somewhere, so you will find it out. And I'm pretty impressed with the ring light that I've got. This was all about the ring light that I have. It's really nice. I'm quite impressed. मैंने अभी 3-4 बार यूज किया, and if you can check on my Instagram, I have posted a lot of pictures recently. वाली जो मेरी pictures होंगी are actually in front of the ring light. तो that's what, and I thought it's required क्योंकि mostly I shoot in nights and sometimes the clarity obviously will not come good. तो मुझे ring light चाहिए था, तो I bought it. And pricing it depends. We have 2,400 की range से लेके 10,000 तक है, and you can just see the reviews and according to that you can buy. And that was all about the ring light. And it's almost 11:30 now, and now I'm going to show you another thing that I bought. So I actually bought here I bought a pony and hair extensions. I bought the cheapest one. There was no intention of buying it at all. मैं scroll कर रही थी Myntra से, and I added some things in my cart, and I got this to a pony and hair extension. The pony is 319 and the extension is 499 rupees. तो I thought I'm just going to give it a try. अगर मुझे सूट किया, अगर मुझे लगा कि I can use them, then definitely I'll go for the better quality one. But this is what I bought today. Only it came. There is a little backstory about this. So what happened when I was in Paris last year September? The last day we were just doing window shopping. I had spent all my money and I was left with some 200 euros only. And I went to a shop, wig की shop पे, और वहाँ पे मैंने ये pony देखी, and that guy is like you should try it and all. And I really liked it because it was a sleek straight pony and it was a little longer, and I never had very long hair. I had a boy cut, and then इससे ज़्यादा लंबे बाल मैंने कभी नहीं किया. Then I wanted to buy it, but then he told it's 55 euros, and I was like it's kind of a wastage of money. Because I don't even know if I'm going to use it or not. अभी देख के मुझे बहुत ऐसा लग रहा है fancy. Then I forgot about it and we came back, and like after so many months I saw this and I thought it's so cheap, I'll just try it. मैंने भी try भी नहीं किया. I'm going to open this with you guys. Let's see. This is the hair color, not at all matching with mine. It has gold and blonde stripes. This is the pins. I think it goes back. That's why I was straightening my hair. Also for the video also, I'm not going to wear this and make a video for sure. But let me comb it. इसके बाद झड़ेंगे तो नहीं वैसे. I hope. Quality is fine. Very silky. I have to comb it I think a little bit. Okay, so this was the extension. This is the pony. Oh my god. The color is not good at all. I don't like this color actually. But it's very thick. It's not at all thin. Silky hair. This is the pony. The color is so different from my original color, and I'm not going to color my hair. जब तक मेरे बाल white नहीं होंगे, I can't color my hair. I don't like coloring too much. But it's fine. Like, it's really silky. It's nice. Quality is not that good. Honestly, I'm speaking to you guys about this. I'm going to give it a try again. So let's try it, and I will try to post pictures on my Instagram. Try this quickly, and I will end this vlog and I will get back to shoot. I'm liking my pony also. Help probably. Okay. This is how it looks. If I had long hair, I should grow long hair, right? Oh my god, I can't even believe this. You see? It's very heavy though, yaar. Oh my god. So this is the first try. So for photos, I think I can wear it, but if I have to like really try this, then I have to get it in my color. So maybe I will try this extension. I've never tried this before. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but let's try it. Now I have long hair. So basically, don't order online. If you're ordering, then consult someone or see the reviews, and the color is not matching at all. तो अगर मेरे बाल straight कर लूँ मैं, तो maybe कुछ हो सकता है. Like I have low lights or something, लोग सोच सकते हैं. पर अभी तो right now it's not even straight. So I know this vlog was really very weird because ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं करने को. That is all. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.